Yeah. So, what are we going to discuss today? Today, we are going to discuss a new story of global English, The Princess in the Tower. What do you tower? A tall, you see? Yes, a tall, narrow pillar. It's a narrow pillar, right? Yes. So now I will show you the prince and the princess. See the prince and the princess. How are they looking? They are looking so beautiful, right? Yes? Yeah, you can see the prince and also princess. And now I'll show you the forest, a tower in the forest, and the prince riding on the horse. A prince riding on the horse. Okay, now let us start the story. There was a princess long ago. Long ago, long ago. Look into your textbooks, everyone. Page number 111, 111. There was a princess long ago, long ago, long ago. There was a princess long ago, long ago. And she lived in a big high tower. Where did she live? She lived in a big high tower. A naughty fairy waved her wand. W-A-N-D, wand. What is the meaning of wand? Wand meanings a very thin stick. Okay? Stick. It's a stick who fairies used to have their magic sticks in their hand, no beta? That is called a wand. So a naughty fairy waved her wand. The princess slept for 100 years. When she waved her wand like this, what happened to the princess? Princess slept for 100 years. How many years she slept? She slept for 100 years, not for 1 day or 2 days. She had a long sleep for 100 years. A great big forest grew around. You can see here is a pillar, and around the pillar, what can you see? There is a big, huge forest. Yes, very big forest. And a handsome prince came riding by. One day, what happened? One prince came to that forest for hunting, and he saw a big tower in the forest. He took his sword and chopped it down. What is the meaning of chop? Chop, the meaning is cutting down the trees into small, small pieces. He took a sword and he started cutting the forest into small, small pieces. Okay. He kissed her hand to wake her up. What did he do? He reached the tower. He went to the princess and he kissed his hand, her hand. Princess hand kissed. Then what happened? The princess woke up. The princess, she woke up. So everybody is happy now. Aryan, are you able to hear me? My voice is audible? Okay. So now listen, everyone. What do you like to do? Let us watch a story. Will you like to watch the story of Princess in the Tower? Show me thumb. Everyone. Yay. Yes, we'll see the story now. Just a minute. It's ready to start.